So can you tell us a little bit about what it's like to live in North? We're going to talk about Bismarck in a few minutes, but just as a state, let's talk a little bit about North Dakota and what it's like living in the state. Carla.
So when I first moved here, I was a little bit really taken aback with how it has a very homey touch feely to it. And I was surprised because, being in the United States, I thought that it's all about the hustle bustle everywhere. And especially when I moved here, Bismarck, for everyone's FYI, is the capital of North Dakota. But when you arrive in the airport, you'll be much surprised that, okay, so it's not really that a lot of people are crowded where compared to other states are, especially if you land in California, in one of the airports there, in any of the airports there, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
It's hugely crowded. So that's the thing that probably prompted us to really stay here. It has, because it has a homey feel. Like, I feel like I'm in the suburbs for some reason, and even if I'm in the capital city, it's like it's the best of both worlds for me, because I'm in the capital city. I have access to almost anything and everything, but as well, I can get to any place, like in the city wise, in 5 to 15, 20 minutes tops. And traffic is only during peak hours. So yeah, it was really fun and surprising to find that we're actually living here for already 5 years. I never thought of that.
You never thought that would happen. You thought you'd be
Yes, exactly.
North Carolina. Ruby, what was surprising for you when you came to live in North Dakota?
Well, first, it's just like I didn't expect anything because it's like surprised me. So yeah, I was surprised arriving at the airport. We pick at the, like outside, it's like all brown because we arrived here March 2016. So it's still winter. So we're like, it's all brown and not much of a building or anything. But I'm like, okay, never mind. And first I would like go get a card. Like in Manila or in the Philippines, it's free. But here, you need to pay. Like there's no free. I'm trying to get out that card. Like,
Funny.
and then yeah, somebody told me, oh, you need to, pay. Oh, okay. So
Never mind.
Yeah. But what's the good
You learn quickly.
Yeah. But what's the good thing also about here? Like, surprise, it's very laid back.
Mhm.
No traffic like what we're used to. For them, the traffic here, it's like, this is not traffic.
What
Yeah.
traffic?
Yeah. So it's very easy to go around, like 15 minutes before 7 o'clock. Like if you work at 7, it's fine because there's no traffic. Yeah.
Exactly.
That's the good thing, like for me.
Mhm. And people are very friendly.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And that's what you said. It's like that like feels like home. Like people are friendly. It's an easy life. It's not so congested. It's not so
Yes.
overcrowded. But it's
No.
still a city. So
Yes.
I think the population of Bismarck is just under 800,000. So it's not like it's a tiny place.
Oh, wow. Didn't even know that it was that much now.
It doesn't feel
Yeah.
like that much.
Exactly.
And it's also very clean. Surprisingly, during summer or spring, it's all greens and very clean. And yeah, winter, all white.
Okay, so we're going to talk about winter in a minute.